Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some pretty lace cards for you, so let's get started. I have this value pack in my store. It is called Lovely in Lace, and those are papers by Kanban, a British company that makes beautiful cardstock and foiled papers. So this is all about lace, and first of all you get an idea sheet, and then you get die cut sheets and papers. So here, this die cut sheet, you can make these paper flowers, for example. Then you have sheets of different frames. Some come with more than one piece, so you have an inner piece and the outer frame, or just a frame beautifully foiled. You also have border treatments, so very high class and nice colors too. Then you have card toppers, and you see how easy they come apart. All foiled again. More card toppers, and the colors are muted. They're in blues and grays and greens and light pinks. And you can see the lace is always prominent here. Very pretty. More frames for you to use. Then these are pyramid treatments where you can take them out and stack them. Now, there are a couple that have German greetings in here, but I wouldn't worry too much because you can always use a different greeting for your sentiment on the card. But these are also beautiful toppers right here. Several of those. Then you have medallion backgrounds and more frames and borders. So here you have love. Then you have papers that of course you can cut into as background papers for your cards. Look how beautiful they are. Okay, and then a few more cardstock that you can cut into. Frames you can cut apart. And another paper of frames. And then you also have ephemera. So you have different pieces in here. And this bag is full of ephemera. So first of all, you have all the greetings. So that's what I meant, you know, that these couple of German greetings you have in there. Just, you know, lay them over with these greetings in this ephemera pack. They're all in English. And so you have all the sentiments. You have beautifully foiled butterflies in different sizes. You got cute little birdies also in different sizes, bird cages. So this is a really nice ephemera pack, and like I said, many pieces, so many flowers. You got roses and lots of different birds, so you can make nice cards. So let's see what I have created. So I made a few cards with this wonderful paper pack, and here is my first one, and you can see all the different layers that I used. Just a little bit of background paper, one of these borders, and I just added a little glitter tool with it, and then a couple of these medallions with a greeting. Here is my beautifully foiled bird and butterfly, and that's my card. So I think they're really classy looking, and the lace is just gorgeous. So here is another one. The greetings, of course, are part of the ephemera pack, and just layered up all the different pieces so that I have this beautiful, elegant and lacy look. And I have one more like this. Oh, not this way. Yeah, look at this card topper with this lace umbrella. Isn't it just gorgeous? And because it is foiled, it gives it a nice finish. Added just a border here. Here I made a card from the cardstock. And these birds are really cute too. So those are my first 3 cards. And then I played around a little bit. So I used the paper, and I also used some of my easy 3D toppers, because they go very well with the lacy paper. So here I have used an embellishment from the Flowers and Deco easy 3D topper pack. So there are 10 toppers in these bags, and each have 3 steps. This one here is lightly glimmered, but I think it just looked so nice on here. You have this lace background. I made a card with this paper and then added one of these medallions as a background, one of the foiled butterflies. So you don't really need much. But then I also have the vase from this pack, and I think it looks just great. And then of course I had to do this again, and here is another card with a flower arrangement, and for this one I used the Flowers Bouquet pack. So you have 10 flower bouquets in here with 3 layers, so you can stack them up for a 3D image. Here I added a little bow, a ribbon bow, and then just one embellishment, the greeting. And it really doesn't take much, but it has, I think it just looks beautiful for a birthday card. Or this one is with love, so that would be for any occasion. And then my last card that I have created with this pack, I used one of the frames. I didn't use the inner because I wanted that frame as a background. So I layered the frame over one of the background pieces, and then I added another flower bouquet, and this one here came from the Pastel Flowers, also easy 3D toppers. And of course the pastel flowers go really well with this paper pack because the colors are also a little more muted than others. But then again, colorful works just as well. So I hope you liked my cards made with the lovely inlace papers and die cuts. If so, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. I would love to have you as a new subscriber, and leave me a comment if you liked my cards. This is all I have for you today, so thank you so much for spending time today with me. Please stay or get well, and let's be nice to each other. Thank you, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!